22.
He is correct.
Get the big fish first.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, all right. Here's a big fish.
Is that it?
That's a big fish.
11.8. It ain't even. Yeah, you put it here and then I'll. 34.8. 34.8. Nice job, guys.
He ain't stuff.
They said they caught some big fish and couldn't count.
Really?
Just one right after the other.
There you go.
Did you really? Wow.
Arkansas, they caught for their power. But they all that size.
You all downtown? Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's great though. That should be sitting in catching nothing.
What's the biggest?
26.6.
Oh, that's fat.
30.7. You don't want to weigh just one big one, huh?
Ain't no use.
What if there's a tie?
I ain't got enough to even place.
Okay, all right, that's fine.
I wouldn't like.
Well, actually,
Number 5 wasn't so good.
you better sit down.
That ain't that bad. Danny, what his fish yet?
Yeah, he wants them to take them when they get theirs weighed. If they'll take them back for him.
Would you guys do that for Danny? No? You all take Danny's fish and put them back
That's monster.
He's not happy. I don't think he's monster. He's mad.
Yeah. He didn't like that. He didn't like that.
There you go, boys. Get your fish of this.
Woo!
Oh, nice.
That's the biggest one.
Whoa.
Whoa! Hey, I didn't get it. I didn't take this one. Hey, give me a little fish.
You always count on these guys to turn in some good fish.
Okay, let me.
You want him first, Lyle? Yeah, make one flip first, please.
Wait just a second. For some reason,
You count it. Keep holding like that.
knocked it off.
Kill me, Lyle. I said, now hold them out like this.
Hang on, give a second.
Oh, there you go. Okay, Doug.
I thought I could pick you up that big.
27.5. Nice fish. Nice fish, Doug.
That's the biggest one so far. Where's your? Okay, it's in the boat.
49.8.
Want to get the tree and hold your two biggest fish?
Good job, guys.
Yeah, if you would.
Okay. Get in.
Yeah, we're getting ready to pull up.
You gonna pull up? Okay, that's fine. Thanks, man. Nice job, guys.
Dalton, are they teaching you or are you teaching them?
Oh,
I think it's two.
Mark,
Come on, get in.
them guys like to see your smiling face.
Yeah.
Come on, Doug. Hang on to it. Hang on to it, Doug. Hang on to it, Doug. You got it, Doug. He's mad.
Only for Doug.
Good job, fellas.
Did you get a picture of that? Did you?
I think he was winning for a second, Doug. That's a rodeo.
Got it. That's a big one?
This is the big one.
Wait, you got it all.
It shuts off automatically.
Oh, I know. All right, let's go ahead. I knew that.
Yeah, I know you did.
Boy, you started to panic for a second, didn't you?
I'm gonna see his eyeball.
17-9.
I don't know what his eyeball is.
He almost got you, Eli. He was peeing.
31-6 is what it keeps going to. 31-6. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
All right.
See, that's what it kept. Yeah, it kept. But it just wouldn't.
Open up.
Open up.
Get fish with your fish. Want to get fish with your big one?
Ooh. You were trying
Nice,
that
ain't
time,
they?
weren't he?
Don't worry about that. I got some more there.
Trying that one.
Yeah, he's pretty serious about
Trying to hurt me.
There you go.
He's winning.
Looks like that one had the whole dog ball go.
He's winning.
There you go.
Got it. Which one?